Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Home Kitchen. So today's video is for a sirloin steak and vegetable stir fry with cashew nuts. So sit back, relax and enjoy, and thanks for watching. Now we're going to take a bowl. Into that we're going to add 450 grams of sirloin steak that's been cut into fine strips. To this now we're going to add 2 cloves of crushed garlic, 1 tablespoonful of light soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon of toasted sesame oil. We're just going to mix this up and we're going to marinate it for a minimum of 1 hour, but if you want to cover it and put it in the fridge overnight, that's even better. Now we're over to our cooker and we're going to place a wok onto a medium-high heat, and we're going to toast 50 grams of cashew nuts, just moving them around for a couple of minutes until they're toasted all over. Now we're going to remove them from the pan, turn the wok up to a high heat. We're going to spray it with some low-calorie cooking oil, and to that we're going to add 4 sliced scallions, 1 mild red chilli that's been deseeded and sliced, and 1 teaspoon of grated ginger. And we're going to stir fry these for about 30 seconds, and then we're going to add the beef mixture. Now folks, if you're enjoying my videos, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. It does help that I can make further videos for you. So we just cook the beef for 2 to 3 minutes, just until it's well sealed and lightly coloured. Now to the beef mixture we're going to add 1 deseeded and sliced red pepper, 1 deseeded and sliced yellow pepper, 1 carrot that's been thinly sliced, and 100 grams of baby corn that's been sliced lengthwise. We'll stir fry these for another 4 to 5 minutes, just until the veg is cooked. Now we're going to add the toasted cashew nuts, 2 tablespoonfuls of chopped coriander, 1 tablespoonful of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoonful of sweet chili sauce. We're going to stir fry that for another minute, and then we're just going to serve it. Now I serve mine just on top of some boiled basmati rice, and with double a teaspoon of sesame oil over the top. Now folks, if you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button. Again, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in my further videos.